Due to some technical problem, we could not discuss this problem. Now I am again starting from here. So what was the question? We had to prepare a dilute solution from concentrated solution. So we use the formula that is known as normality equation, N1V1 equal to N2V2. One side we take concentrated solution, other side dilute solution. So we are given value of dilute solution, normality of dilute solution is 4 and volume 250 ml. And normality of concentrated solution we should understand, we should know, that is 36 in case of sulfuric acid, and volume is to be calculated. So volume we can calculate this V1 equal to 1000 over 36. By calculation of this V1 we could understand how much amount of concentrated it will be required. Okay, because we have to prepare total volume 250, so rest amount will be of water, means जितनी अमाउंट ये आएगी उस अमाउंट को हमने 250 में से माइनस करना, वो अमाउंट होगी वाटर की. तो हम यहाँ पे ऐसे लिख लें, वॉल्यूम ऑफ कंसंट्रेटेड H2SO4 इज 1000 over 36 ml. Volume of water to be taken, that is 250 minus 100 of 1000 over 36. So in this way we can answer in this way that to prepare 250 ml of dilute H2SO4 we have to take this much amount of concentrated sulfuric acid and this much amount of water. और ध्यान रखें कभी भी हम डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन बनाएं तो हमेशा वाटर के अंदर हम एसिड को ऐड करते हैं, यानी कि हमें जितनी अमाउंट वाटर की चाहिए पहले उस अमाउंट को लेंगे एक कंटेनर के अंदर, एक बीकर के अंदर, उसके ऊपर से हम धीरे धीरे इन स्मॉल इंस्टॉलमेंट कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को ऐड करेंगे. तो इन दिस वे वी कैन प्रिपेयर डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन फ्रॉम कंसंट्रेटेड सॉल्यूशन. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, एग्जांपल 4. Problem is 10% solution of sodium chloride. I am sorry, another example. Suppose a liter of sea water. Suppose
parts per million वाला.
Yes, a liter of sea water that weighs 1030 ग्राम. सी वाटर का 1 लीटर वॉल्यूम में कितना मास है? 1030 ग्राम. ये मास आपको गिवन है एंड इट कंटेन्स about 6.0 into 10 raised to minus 3 ग्राम ऑफ सॉल्ट. इस 1 लीटर सी वाटर के अंदर कितने अमाउंट ग्राम की सॉल्ट की डिजॉल्व है? 6.0 10 पर 3 ग्राम. ओके, वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट मास परसेंट. कैलकुलेट परसेंट बाय मास और मास परसेंट एक ही बात है. परसेंटेज बाय मास एंड ppm ऑफ सॉल्ट. हमें ppm में निकालना है, गिवन वैल्यू से परसेंटेज बाय मास निकालना है. यू मे बी नोइंग फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ परसेंटेज बाय मास is the mass of solute divided by total mass of solution into 100. By using this formula we can calculate percentage by mass. So mass of solute is given to us, that is 6.010 raised to power 3 minus 3. Okay, and total mass of solution 1030 into 100. So in this way we could calculate the percentage mass. It comes out to be 5.8 into 10 raised by minus 4%. Okay, so we calculated one thing, that is percentage by mass, by using the formula. Now second point, we have to calculate parts per million. You know the formula of parts per million, that mass of solute divided by total mass of solution into 10 raised by 6. You may be knowing that parts per million of ppm is term used for very dilute solution, and this is also very dilute solution because the 1 liter contains only 6.0 to 10 into 10 to minus 3 gram of salt, indicating very less amount of salt in 1 liter of solution. So we can calculate ppm. In ppm we have to multiply it by 10 raised by 6. 10 raised by 6 1 million, तब यह है पार्ट्स पर मिलियन, यानी कि 1 मिलियन में कितने पार्ट्स प्रेजेंट हैं, इसलिए हम यहाँ पे इसको 10 की पावर 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. वहाँ पे परसेंटेज निकालने इसलिए 100 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, यहाँ पे पार्ट्स पर मिलियन निकालने इसलिए 10 की पावर 6 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. तो वैल्यू आएगी यहाँ पर, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 5.8 ppm. Sometimes it is asked that which term expression, let us say the same problem is given to you, and sometimes it is asked that expression by mass or expression by ppm, which one is easier. कौन सा बेटर रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, कौन सा कन्वीनिएंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. तो यहाँ पे कन्वीनिएंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन है 5.8 ppm. ये इजी है रिप्रेजेंट करना, ये आसान है, ये बेटर रिप्रेजेंटेशन है एज कम्पेयर, बिकॉज यहाँ 10 की पावर माइनस 4% की वैल्यू है ये, जिसको एक्सप्रेशन में हमें थोड़ी दिक्कत आ सकती है. दैट्स व्हाई ये कंसीडर किया गया कि ppm इज द बेटर रिप्रेजेंटेशन, बेटर एक्सप्रेशन एज कम्पेयर टू परसेंटेज बाय मास. Okay, this was all about the numerical problem based on the expression concentration solution. Tomorrow, next time, we will take up the problem based on elevation, boiling point, and depression, freezing point. And so far as third colligative property and that is osmotic pressure and abnormal molecular mass, we already have discussed. Okay. So tomorrow we'll take up problem based on elevation, boiling point, and depression, freezing point, as well as the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Okay. In this way, we could complete numerical problem based on the solution, and other things. MCQ problems will be asked in your test, which is being held on 19th of May. So we'll give you some problems based on MCQ from different books, and it will be sent to you through WhatsApp message. Okay, thank you.